Hey everyone, Justin here. I'm at the Sony Alpha event and I just finished creating a video describing what it meant to me to have a camera and to use technology in the new Sony Alpha camera series. So really cool. The Sony Creative Space on the Road Tour is all about getting hands-on experience with the brand new A7 IV camera from Sony. Now, this thing is impressive. They hired models for us to shoot it with, and they gave us these coins here that allowed us to unlock different things like t-shirts and prizes around the space. Now, I got to get this t-shirt. It basically maps out their entire tour, all the stops that they're making, and they made one for the first time in San Francisco, which I was really proud of to be able to come. They hired photographers for us to come over and give us real-time headshots here, so you can see this is the one I got. Jordan took my photos, and I am in love with them. I got various different photos that I was able to send to my phone. And this Sony A7 IV camera is impressive. It has a new processor that enables AI-powered real-time recognition autofocus, a face priority metering for perfect exposure, and improved natural skin tones. The camera means everything to me. I wouldn't be able to reflect on my journey as a creator. I document everything, and being able to use my Sony cameras and tools to capture memories, to create docu-series, and then reflect on those memories helps me out a lot to be able to share my story with the world and make positive changes in the world. So I'm really passionate about this space and love that I can, use technology to document the future and make it a reality. Let me know in the comments below what the camera means to you. It's a special part of my life and I enjoyed sharing this moment with you. I had a great time at the Sony Creative Space on the Road here in San Francisco, and there's more to come. Make sure you're subscribed, and I appreciate you for checking out today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.